start with the darkest areas first, the blacks, getting everything in place. And again, staying really loose, pressing really hard in the dark areas. And then lightening up on the pressure in the kind of medium areas. If you're not sure you got it all, just put your hand in front of it and see what you missed. Using a projector, just like kind of, you get used to the different little tricks. Comes my son. Maybe he'll come help. Do you love it?
Did you take off that yet?
No, I didn't.
What?
There we go. I've stepped in front of it. What do you think?
Wow, that looks awesome.
Yeah, thank you for your help tonight. Yeah, look. Watch this.
You're welcome.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and it's YouTube. It's a YouTube.
She's so magical. I'm so excited.
It's so awesome, yeah.
Don't you love her? Oh, she's
I
great.
don't love him in your wife.
What?
I don't love him in your wife.
No.
Why did you draw him?
I really love the photograph, so. Cheating? I don't think so, but that's what I was told in art school and it held me back for many years. So say hack down below to get your free projector guide so you can start using this tool as a resource that saves time, that saves energy, because I spent hours and hours freehanding or gridding, and honestly, when I started using a projector, it opened up worlds for me, a freedom of playing with media and learning along the way and not being hindered by the fact that I had the eye wrong halfway through the painting. So if you want to join us, get that free guide and follow along for more tips and hacks just like this. You're helping me clean up? You're doing a great job. I'm trying to take photos. It's hard. You're so cute. You're kind of distracting.
That's no.
No, I need that on. I need all the light that I can get. So many lights in here. We're photographing this new work. You like it? Thank you for helping.
Put some. Look at my A on me. Is it yellow?
Oh, I see you.
Hey! What? Then write the name.
Should I sign my name too?
Sign again, jeez.
Not in handwriting. A big G-U-S.
Okay. You said. There.
There we go.
And I also do it in handwriting. There.
Nice.
Look it. Oopsies.
There it is. Your names.
Oop, there it is.
Oop, there it is.
Oop, there it is.
She looks great. What you making?
Yeah.
What you making, cutie? Wow, that's really nice, Finn. Teddy, what's that? Teddy, what's that? What's Finn making?
A happy face.
Oh, do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks great.
Oh, I love that. Like the details I did to this.
I love the details you added. Very nice.
Look at this.
Yes.
It's like waving. Ooh.
What are you making, Teddy?
This.
This? This looks good. It's a new way to use those markers.
Boys.
What'd you get on your shirt? Were you drinking vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay, that's, you
What?
can't. You can drink vanilla. You need to go wash your hands in the sink, though.
I'm gonna scribble black and then draw something cool. Line, scribble. Why aren't you black? It's pink. It's supposed to be black. Very pink. This ain't working. I'm using white. Right?
Right.
Mom, it would be amazing if we had. I was getting lights off.
Because it looks really cool.
If I just beep, I had to do something. Can I just do something in front of it? I'll do something.
Sure.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep.
Nice.
Beep. 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 How do you even do this? Look at all these powers. Your family.
That would be really cool.
How do they